Okay, so we shall start with our questions. And the first question for table 1 is this. The latitudinal extent of India lies between options A, 7 degree 5 minutes north and 26 degree 5 minutes north. B, 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. C, 9 degree 5 minutes north and 27 degree 5 minutes north. D, 6 degree 5 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. Your time starts now.
Option B.
Okay, their answer is option B. And congratulations, that is the correct answer. Now, passing on to table 2. Are we ready? Okay, this is your question. And Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers with option A, China, B, Bhutan, C, Nepal and D, Myanmar. Your time starts now.
C, Nepal.
Alright, your answer is C, Nepal. Okay, congratulations. Now passing on to table 3. This is your question. The total geographical area of India is A, 6287263 square kilometers, B, 5.28 kilometers square, C, 4.28 square kilometers, D, 3.28 square kilometers. And your time starts now.
Option A.
Okay, their answer is option A. Sorry, that is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option D, 3.28 square kilometers. Now, next, table 4. Are we ready? Okay, and this is your question. Which of the following are considered the most recent landforms in India? A, the Peninsular Plateau, B, Northern Plains, C, the Coastal Plains, and D, the Indian Desert. And your time starts now.
Option A.
Okay, their answer is option A. Sorry, that is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option B, Northern Plains. Okay, table 5, are we ready? Okay, this is your question. The Peninsular Plateau is primarily composed of which types of rocks? A, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks, B, alluvial and sedimentary rocks, C, igneous and metamorphic rocks, and D, limestone and granite rocks. Your time starts now.
Option A.
Can you press it again? Okay, their answer is option A. That is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option C. Okay. Alright, so are we ready? Table 1. Okay, so this is your question. Parsec is the unit of measurement of A, density of stars, B, astronomical distance, C, brightness of heavenly bodies, and D, orbital velocity of giant stars. Your time starts now.
B. B for joy.
Okay, their answer is option B, astronomical distance. Okay, congratulations. Alright, table 2, are we ready? Okay, and this is your question. The darkest part of the shadow during eclipse is A. Halo, B. Umbra, C. Penumbra, and D. Black hole. And your time starts now. Alright, their answer is option C. Sorry, the correct answer is option B, Umbra. Okay, table 3, we're ready, right? Okay, so this is your question. The period of one revolution of sun around the center of galaxy is called A. Parsec, B. Astronomical year, C. Cosmic year, and D. Light year. And your time starts now.
C. Cosmic year.
Okay, their answer is C. Cosmic year. Okay, congratulations. And the next team, this is your question. The outermost layer of sun is called A. Convection zone, B. Photosphere, C. Chromosphere, and D. Corona. And your time starts now.
Photosphere. Option B.
B. Press it, okay. Okay, their answer is option B, photosphere. Sorry, the correct answer is option D, corona. Okay, moving on to the next group. This is your question. Triton is the moon of which planet? A. Neptune, B. Uranus, C. Saturn, and D. Venus. Your time starts now. Alright, their answer is option D, Venus. Sorry, the correct answer is option A, Neptune. Okay, so we will move on to the next set of question, number 3. Question 3 for table 1 is, the Constitution of India was adopted on A. 26th January 1949, sorry. B. 26th November 1949. C. 26th January 1950. D. 26th November 1950. And your time starts now. Okay, their answer is option B, 26th November 1949. And yes, that's the correct answer. Right, moving on to table 2. This is your question. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? A. Part 1, B. Part 2, C. Part 3, and D. Part 4. Your time starts now.
Option C.
Can you repeat your answer?
Option C.
C. Alright, their answer is option C, part 3. And congratulations, that is the correct answer. Moving on to table 3, this is your third question. Which Constitutional Amendment Act of India reduced the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? Option A, 60th Amendment, B, 61st Amendment, C, 62nd Amendment, and D, 63rd Amendment. Your time starts now.
Amendment, option C.
Okay, their answer is option C, 62nd Amendment. Sorry, the correct answer is B, 61st Amendment. Okay, fourth group, this is your third question. Anti-defection law is given in which schedule of Indian Constitution? A. 9th schedule, B. 12th schedule, C. 11th schedule, and D. 10th schedule. Your time starts now.
B. 12.
Alright, your answer is option B. 12th schedule. Okay, sorry, the correct answer is option D. 10th schedule. Now, Table 5, this is your third question. How many members had the Constituent Assembly that wrote the Indian Constitution? A. 200, B. 199, C. 198, and D. 190. Your time starts now. Their answer is option A, 200. However, the correct option is B, 199. Okay, so we will start the fourth questions. Table 1, this is your fourth question. What is constitutional law? A. Provisions given in the Constitution. B. Law to make Constitution. C. Law to set up Constituent Assembly. And D. None of the above. Your time starts now.
Provision given in the Constitution.
Okay, their answer is option A. Provisions given in the Constitution. Yes, that is the correct answer. Table 2 is ready. Okay, and this is your fourth question. How many seats are reserved in the Lok Sabha for the scheduled tribes? A. 49, B. 60, C. 47, and D. 100. Your time starts now. Alright, your answer is 47. C. Yes, that's the correct answer. Congrats. Table 3. This is your fourth question. Our country is divided into A. 500 constituencies, B. 543 constituencies, C. 550 constituencies, and D. 552 constituencies. And your time starts now.
B. 543 constituencies.
Can you repeat?
B. 543 constituencies.
Alright, their answer is option B, 543 constituencies. And congratulations, that is the correct answer. Team 4, this is your fourth question. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? A. The Chief Justice of India, B. The Prime Minister of India, C. The President of India, and D. The Law Minister of India. Your time starts now.
Option C. President of India.
Their answer is option C, the President of India. And congratulations, that is the correct answer. Team 5, this is your fourth question. What does the term incumbent mean? A. The current holder of a political office. B. The candidate contesting the election. C. The outgoing candidate of the dissolved house. And D. None of the above. Your time starts now.
Option C.
Sorry, time is out. Your time has already been out, okay? You have to listen to the ticking. Okay, and since the ticking is already off, that means your time is already out. So we cannot accept your answer anymore. Okay, now we will move on to the fifth question. For table 1, the Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? A. 1757, B. 1764, C. 1761, and D. 1772. Your time starts now.
Option A, 1757.
Alright, their answer is option A, 1757. And yes, that is the correct answer. Table 2, this is your fifth question. The partition of Bengal was announced in 1905 by A. Lord Hardinge, B. Lord Chelmsford, C. Lord Curzon, and D. Lord Minto. Option B, Lord Chelmsford is their answer. Press it again. Long press. Okay, so the correct answer is option C, Lord Curzon. Next team, this is your question. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in which year? A. 1917, B. 1919, C. 1920, and D. 1922. And your time starts now.
A, 1917. A, 1917.
Can you press it again? Alright, your answer is option A, 1917. But sorry, the correct answer is option B, 1919. Okay, next team, this is your question. The Simon Commission was boycotted by Indians because A. It had no Indian members. B. It supported the partition of India. C. It was headed by a Briton. And D. It arrived before the scheduled time. And your time starts now.
Option A.
Alright, their answer is option A. It had no Indian members. And yes, it is the correct answer. Oh. Alright, team 5, be aware of the second, okay? Alright, so team 5, this is your question. Who founded the Azad Hind Fauj, Indian National Army? Options are A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Raj Bihari Bose, C. Captain Mohan Singh, and D. Bhagat Singh. And your time starts now.
Hey, Miss Mini, ina controversial to tell suwat ka.
Option A.
Ani theve ka to.
Option A.
Okay, their answer is option A. Subhash Chandra Bose. But sorry, the correct answer is option C, Captain Mohan Singh. Okay. Question number 6 for table 1. And this is going to be your last question. Okay. Last question for this round is the year of the foundation of the Women's Indian Association, WIA, is, options are A. 1947, B. 1937, C. 1927, and D. 1917. And your time starts now.
Option B, 1937.
Okay, their answer is option B, 1937. Sorry, the correct answer is option D, 1917. Okay, table 2, this is your question. The Montag-Chelmsford proposals were related to, your options are A, social reforms, B, educational reforms, C, reforms in police administration, and D, constitutional reforms. And your time starts now.
B.
Can you repeat your answer?
B.
Okay, their answer is option B, educational reforms. But sorry, the correct answer is option D, constitutional reforms. Okay, moving on to the next group, which is table 3. This is your question. The plan of Sir Stafford Cripps envisaged that after the Second World War, your options are A, India should be given dominion status. B, India should be partitioned into two before granting independence. C, India should be made a republic with the condition that she will join the Commonwealth. And D, India should be granted complete independence. And your time starts now.
A. India should be given dominion status.
Alright, their answer is option A, India should be given dominion status. Congratulations, that is the correct answer. Alright, moving on to table 5. This is your question. Which one of the following movements has contributed to a split in the Indian National Congress, resulting in the emergence of moderates and extremists? And these are your options. A, Swadeshi movement. B, Quit India movement. C, non-cooperation movement. And D, civil disobedience movement. And your time starts now.
Option C. Non-cooperation movement.
Can you repeat your answer?
Option C.
Okay. Alright, their answer is option C, non-cooperation movement. Sorry. The correct answer is option A, Swadeshi movement. Alright. Last question for team 5. This is your question. By the Act of 1858, India was to be governed. Options are A, by the company, B, in the name of the crown, C, by a board of directors, and D, in the name of Governor General of India. And your time starts now.
Option D. Option D.
Can you repeat option?
Option D.
D, in the name of the Governor General of India. Okay, that is their answer. Option D, in the name of Governor General of India. Sorry, but the correct answer is option B, in the name of the crown. Alright, so with that we have finished our first set of top 10. And right, so thank you Group 1. Now we will call up Group 2 on stage. Just like before, you will answer 6 questions each, okay? Alright, so alright, table 1, this is going to be your first question. Okay, so we will start with our first round of question. And table 1, this will be your question. The northernmost range of the Himalayas is known as, and these are your options. Option A, the Outer Himalayas. B, the Lesser Himalayas. C, the Great Himalayas or Himadri. And D, the Shivaliks. And your time starts now.
D. The Shivaliks.
Alright, their answer is option D, the Shiwaliks. Sorry, that is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option C, the Great Himalayas or Himadri. Okay, table 2, are we ready? Okay, this is your question. What are the longitudinal valleys lying between the Lesser Himalaya and the Shiwaliks known as? And your options are A, Doabs, B, Duns, C, Bhabar, and D, Terai. And your time starts now. Okay, please speak closer to the mic, okay? And their answer is option A, Doabs. Sorry, the correct answer is option B, Duns. Duns. Sorry. Okay, sorry, it's to be pronounced as Duns. Okay, and the first question for Team 3 is: the Himalayas are divided into which regional divisions from west to east? And your options are A, Punjab Himalaya, Kumaon Himalaya, Nepal Himalaya, Assam Himalaya. B, Himachal Himalaya, Nepal Himalaya, Purvachal Himalaya, Mizo Hills. C, Satluj Himalaya, Kali Himalaya, Tista Himalaya, Dihang Himalaya. And D, Indus Himalaya, Ganga Himalaya, Brahmaputra Himalaya, and Purvachal Himalaya. Your time starts now. Press your mic. Press your mic. Okay, press it again. Press it again. Okay, their answer is option A. And congratulations, that is the correct answer. Okay, team 4, are we ready? Okay, and your question is this: which rivers mark the boundary of the Kumaon Himalayas? And your options are A, Indus and Satluj, B, Satluj and Kali, C, Kali and Tista, D, Tista and Dihang. And your time starts now.
Option A.
Their answer is option A. Okay, sorry. The correct answer is option B, Satluj and Kali. Alright. Team 5, we're ready. Okay, this is your question. The wet, swampy and marshy region south of the Bhabar belt is known as, your options are A, Bhangar, B, Terai, C, Doab, and D, Kankar. And your time starts now.
Option B.
Alright, their answer is option B, Terai. Congratulations. That is the right answer. Okay, so Team 1, I hope we're ready for your second question. This is your question. What does the 17th parallel separate? And your options are A, South and North America, B, North and South Korea, C, South and North Vietnam, and D, South and North Yemen. And your time starts now. Alright, your answer is option D, South and North Yemen. Oh, sorry, B is their answer, North and South Korea. Sorry. The correct answer is option C, South and North Vietnam. Okay, Team 2, this is your second question. 9-degree channel separates, and your options are A, Car Nicobar and Great Nicobar, B, Lakshadweep and Minicoy, C. Little Andaman and Car Nicobar, and D. North Andaman and South Andaman. And your time starts now.
A. Car Nicobar and Great Nicobar.
Alright, their answer is option A, Car Nicobar and Great Nicobar. Sorry, the correct answer is option B, Lakshadweep and Minicoy. Table 3, this is your second question. The radiant energy received by the Earth and its atmosphere from the Sun is called, your options are A. Insolation, B. Isotherm, C. Inso energy, and D. Albedo. And your time starts now.
B. Albedo.
Alright. Can we press it again?
B. Albedo.
Press it again. Alright, their answer is option D, albedo. Sorry, the correct answer is option A, insolation. Fourth team, table 4, we're ready, right? Okay, this is your question. Which is the warmest layer of the atmosphere? And your options are A, thermosphere, B, troposphere, C, stratosphere, and D, mesosphere. And your time starts now.
Option C.
Their answer is option C, stratosphere. Sorry, the correct answer is option A, thermosphere. Alright, table 5, this is your second question. The vernal equinox occurs in the northern hemisphere around, and your options are A. 21st June, B. 22nd December, C. 21st March, and D. 23rd September. And your time starts now.
Option A. 21st June.
Okay, their answer is option A, 21st June. Sorry, the correct answer is option C, 21st March. Okay, so table 1, this is your third question. According to which act were the elections held to provincial legislatures in India in 1937? And your options are A. Government of India Act 1935, B. Government of India Act 1919, C. Government of India Act 1909, and D. None of the above. And your time starts now. Alright, their answer is option A, Government of India Act 1935. Congratulations. Team 2, table 2, this is your third question. The Constituent Assembly met for how many days? And your options are A. 362, B. 280, C. 165, and D. 150. And your time starts now.
C. 165.
Alright, their answer is option C, 165. Congratulations, that is the correct answer. Alright, table 3, this is your third question. Which three elements show the basic unity in India? Cultural unity, discrimination, unity in language, religious equality. And your options are A, 1, 3, and 4, B, 1, 2, and 4, C, 1 and 3 only, and D, 1 and 4 only. And your time starts now.
B. B.
Okay, their answer is option B, 1, 2, and 4. Sorry, the correct answer is option A, 1, 3, and 4. Team 4, this is your third question. The Chief Minister is appointed by, and your options are A. Governor, B. President, C. Chief Justice of India, and D. Vice President. And your time starts now.
A. Governor.
Alright, their answer is option A, Governor. And yes, it is the correct answer. Alright. Table 5, this is your third question. Who holds the highest law office in India? And your options are A. Solicitor General, B. Lieutenant General, C. Attorney General, and D. Accountant General. And your time starts now.
Option C.
Right, their answer is option C, Attorney General. Congratulations, that is the correct answer. Table 1, this is your fourth question. The Election Commission is, your options are A, an elected body, B, an appointed body, C, an independent body, and D, both B and C. And your time starts now.
D, both B and C.
Alright, their answer is option D, both B and C. Sorry, the correct answer is option B, an appointed body. Table 2, this is your fourth question. Reserved constituencies ensures, options are A, right to equality, B, proper representation to all religious groups, C, proper representation to the weaker sections of society, and D, none of these. And your time starts now.
C.
Alright, their answer is option C, proper representation to the weaker sections of society. Congratulations, that is the correct answer. Table 3, this is your fourth question. The number of seats reserved for scheduled caste in the Lok Sabha is, your options are A, 59, B, 84, C, 89, and D, 99. And your time starts now.
A. 59.
Their answer is option A, 59. Sorry, the correct answer is option B, 84. Table 4, this is your fourth question. The second Backward Classes Commission was appointed by the Government of India in, options are A, 1979, B, 1981, C, 1985, and D, 1999. And your time starts now.
B, 1981.
Their answer is option B, 1981. Sorry, the correct answer is option A, 1979. Okay, table 5, this is your fourth question. Once the Lok Sabha passes the budget of the government or any other money-related law, the Rajya Sabha cannot reject it. The Rajya Sabha can only delay it by, and your options are A, 14 days, B, 15 days, C, 16 days, and D, 17 days. And your time starts now.
Option A. 14 days.
Okay, their answer is option A, 14 days. Congratulations, that is the correct answer. Okay, Moving on to question number 5 for table 1. This is your question. The Vernacular Press Act was passed by, your options are A. Lord Lytton, B. Lord Ripon, option C. Lord Dufferin, and D. Lord Lansdowne. And your time starts now.
Ay, hama.
Their answer is option A. Lord Lytton.
Litan, may lighten.
Congratulations, that is the correct answer. And table 2, this is your 5th question. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? And your options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. B.R. Ambedkar, and D. Sarojini Naidu. And your time starts now.
B. Jawaharlal Nehru.
Their answer is option B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Congratulations, that is the correct answer. Table 3, this is your 5th question. The cabinet mission came to India in which year? Your options are A. 1942, B. 1945, C. 1946, and D. 1947. Your time starts now.
In print out ni ngayon ang low chin. Ni sinapukan.
Alright, their answer is option B. 1945. Sorry, the correct answer is option C, 1946. Table 4, this is your question. The Pune Pact 1932 was signed between, your options are A. Gandhi and Irwin, B. Gandhi and Jinnah, C. Gandhi and Ambedkar, and D. Nehru and Ambedkar. And your time starts now.
Option C.
Okay, their answer is option C, Gandhi and Ambedkar. Congratulations, that is the correct answer. Table 5, this is your 5th question. Who is known as the father of Indian unrest? And your options are A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C. Bipin Chandra Pal, and D. Subhash Chandra Bose. And your time starts now.
Option B.
Their answer is option B, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Congratulations, that is the correct answer. Now the last question for table 1. This is your question. The Gadhar Party was founded November 1913 at San Francisco, USA by, and your options are A. Madam Bhikaji Kamal, option B. Lala Hardayal, C. Shyamji Krishnana Verma, and D. Both A and B above. And your time starts now. Okay, their answer is option C, Shyamji Krishnana Verma. Sorry, the correct answer is option B, Lala Hardayal. Okay, the last question for table 2. This is your question. Which of the following treaties brought an end to the independent existence of Peshwa Baji Rao II? And your options are A. The Treaty of Purandar, B. Convention of Wadgaon, and C. Treaty of Bassein, and D. Treaty of Salbai. And your time starts now.
A. Treaty of Purandar.
Their answer is option A, the Treaty of Purandar. Sorry. The correct answer is option C, the Treaty of Bassein. Table 3, this is your last question. Who started the first English newspaper in India? And your options are A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, C. J.A. Hickey, D. Lord William Bentinck. And your time starts now.
C. J.
Alright, their answer is option C, J.A. Hickey. Congratulations, that is the correct answer. Table 4, this is your last question. The first woman to become a chief minister of any state in India was, your options are A. Nandini Satpathy, B. Dr. J. Jayalalitha, C. Sucheta Kripalani, and D. Ms. Mayawati. And your time starts now.
Option C.
Their answer is option C, Sucheta Kripalani. And congratulations, that is the correct answer. Okay, last question for this round is this. During the First Carnatic War, the French Governor-General of Pondicherry was, and your options are A. La Bourdonnais, B. Captain Paradise, C. Dupleix, and D. Count de Lally. And your time starts now.
Option D.
Their answer is option D, Count de Lally. Sorry, the correct answer is option C, Dupleix. Alright, thank you to each participant for this round. And okay, so suppose Team 12 has answered the first question correctly, they'll enter into the top 5. However, if it is incorrect, we will still all stay. Okay, so the first 3 teams to answer correctly will go into the top 5. Okay, alright, so are we ready? Okay, this is your first question. Consider the following about Digital India Mission. 1. It aims at digital infrastructure creation. 2. It promotes e-governance. 3. It is limited only to urban areas. Which of the following above are correct? And your options are A. 1 and 2 only. B. I have not finished reading the question. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Team 15. Okay, Team 15, press the button first. And your answer is?
Option A.
Their answer is option A, 1 and 2 only. Congratulations. Okay, Team 15, you may move out. Yeah, you may leave the stage. Congratulations on making it to the top 5. Let's try this again. Your next question is this. With reference to Ayushman Bharat, consider. Number 1, it proves health insurance coverage. It targets economically weak sections. It covers only government hospitals, which are correct. Options are A, 1 only, B, 1 and 2 only, C, 2 and 3 only, and D, 1, 2 and 3. Team 8 and M. Alright, Team 8.
D, 1, 2, and 3.
Their answer is option D, 1, 2, and 3. Sorry, that is not the correct answer. Your next question Next question is, the World Economic Outlook report is published by, your options are A, World Bank, B, WTO, C, International Monetary Fund, and D, UNDP. Team 12.
Option C.
Their answer is option C, International Monetary Fund. Congratulations. Team 12 has made it into top 5. Now, one spot left. There is one spot left for top 5. Come on. Alright. This is your next question, okay? Be calm, okay? Do not panic, alright? And this is your next question. Which of the following is the objective of India's semiconductor mission? Options are A, boost agriculture, B, promote tourism, C, develop semiconductor ecosystem, and D, improve banking. Team 8.
Option C.
Repeat.
Option C.
Option C is their answer. Okay, congratulations. Now we have our top 5. And our top 5 are Team 6, Team 3, Team 8, Team 15, and Team 12.